Hi, I am going to demonstrate a bit on how to get started with the GripBeats Max for Live device. So here I've got a blank session with a MIDI track, and I'm going to drag in this GripBeats Max for Live device. So first thing, I'm going to connect the GripBeats device. All right. In this MIDI from tab, I'm going to select the GripBeats device and then set the monitor to in. You should start receiving data there. You can see that the visualizers for the yaw pitch roll, the grip, and then palm grip are all lighting up and showing. So now that that's working, I'm going to create a separate MIDI track where I'm going to have my synthesizers. I'm going to set the MIDI from to be my keyboard so I can play some notes. And we're going to use Wavetable. Now I'm going to go back to the GripBeats Max for Live device, and I'm going to start mapping some of these parameters. So right away, I'm going to map motion, which is kind of like velocity. I'm going to map that to frequency. So as I move, the filter opens up. Going to map the pitch, which is up and down, to the wavetable so I can scrub through the different sounds. And then I'll map roll to the fold amount. And I can set up a utility object, set that at the end, set the balance all the way down, and then go back into the GripBeats Max for Live device. And I'm going to map yaw to the panning. So now when I play a chord, I can control where it is in the stereo field. I'm going to do some more setup. I'm going to add a beat repeat, set it to fill up a bar, set the chance to 0, and then I'm going to group that, set a macro to the repeat, and then I'm going to map that to the grip. So now I can play a chord.